Matapos makoronahan ng ating pambato na si Emma Marie Tiglao ng Miss Grand International 2025, madaming fans ang nagulat sa naging resulta ng coronation night. Si Miss Gana na isa sa mga pinakamalakas, pinaka-consistent at pinaka-memorable candidate ng Miss Grand International 2025, third runner-up lang daw. Lahat ng fans, maski mga pageant experts, iisa lang sinasabi, that she was robbed. I mean, look at her, the confidence, the elegance, the overall performance, at yung Q&A performance niya, Diyos ko, top tier, flawless. Ang galing niya kasing magsalita mga be, with substance, with grace, and of course, the conviction. Kaya maraming fans ang nagtatanong kung bakit hindi man lang siya pumasok sa top 2 or at least top 3. Sa social media, trending ngayon si Miss Gana. Maraming netizens ang nagsasabi na kung performance lang ang basihan, nanlalamon siya. Pero alam niyo ba, ang Miss Grand Gana Organization ay hawak ngayon mismo ng Miss Grand International 2020 winner na si Abena Apia. Matapos niyang manalo noong 2020, pinangako niya that she will raise a new generation of Ghanaian queens of international caliber. At true enough, pinatunayan niya yan. Under her direction, Miss Grand Gana 2025 became one of the strongest contender or candidate ngayong taon. Hindi man siya nanalo ng inaasam ng corona, she carried herself like a true Miss Grand, full of poise, power, and purpose. At kahit third runner-up lang siya, she proved she's a true queen. Sabi nga ng mga fans, crown or no crown, Miss Gana is the real winner in our hearts. Pero para sa inyo, do you guys agree that Miss Gana was robbed? At sa palagay nyo, natupad ba ni Abina ang pangakong Queens of International Caliber? Comment below kung saan mo siya dapat ilagay. Top 3 or top 2? Please leave your comments below and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please follow me for more. Bye!